As you can see here, this is pretty much the input of the application. Here you have the description of the song that you want to generate, and as well type of song that you want to generate. You can select the all option here. As you can see a different type of song that you generate, reggae. It's all here for you to select. So you can select any one of these, then you click upon the apply option. So once you've done that, you also can select the mode of the song. Down here you have the mode option here. You can select whether you want it to be a happy song, relaxing song, energetic song, romantic song. It's all there for you. So you just select the one that you want to generate, and as well you do get the option for to choose other options. And once you pretty much enter your description of the song and so forth, don't go ahead and tap on create. Over here you have the lyrics section where you can enter your verse if you do have a verse, and as well it doesn't give you the option to generate something for you, but you have to come up with something for yourself. Over here you have the AI cover. So once you've generated a song, you can either use your voice by tapping on the file option here and upload the song that you've generated before, and pretty much use any one of these AI voice that they have given you, or you can just create your voice and pretty much add your voice to it as well. So it will pretty much see it in the my voice section here. The other voice are pretty much other celebrity voices. You can see you have Donald Trump and you have some other cartoon character voices which you can use. So as well, not just your song that you have created, you can select songs or use songs from YouTube. As you can see here, all of them just pretty much upload the YouTube link of that song, and you'll be able to use any one of these voices, even your voice, for that song. As well, you can go in the language section here and you'll pretty much see everything that you have generated. Let's say you have generated a AI cover or a AI music, will pretty much be shown in the language section here. So that's really pretty much it for that. At the top here, you may see the gift box option. This is pretty much where you get your subscription for this application here. As you can see here, at the $19 or let's say $20 subscription for here, and that's really pretty much it. Well, that's for if you're purchasing it for a first time. So do keep that in mind. But once that year is finished, the next year you're gonna start paying $40 a year. So do keep that in mind as well. So that's really pretty much it. And do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription to use the application at all. So if you don't have any subscription, you won't be able to use the application. But that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, be sure to comment below. Glad to help you. See you in the next one.